Hi, I'm Bill Cook from University of Arizona Cooperative Extension in Greenlee County. And today we're going to be calibrating a backpack sprayer. The idea of calibration is that we can determine how much material we're putting down. If an application rate is a pint an acre, 2 pints an acre, whatever, we can mix it accordingly and get the correct amount. So in order to calibrate, we started with a clean sprayer. It's washed out. We've flushed out all the lines, and we've adjusted the spray pattern on the nozzle. You can see that this is adjustable. So we've adjusted the fan to spray ahead of ourselves. And of course, if we were going to spray, I would be wearing rubber boots because this is a good way to get your toes wet, and gloves and whatever other necessary safety precautions as per label directions. So the next step is we have marked out an area here that's 18½ feet by 18½ feet. That is 128th of an acre. So we're going to use this area to determine how much water we're putting on an acre. So to do this, we're going to time it, and we're going to spray this, and we're going to time it, see how long it took. We're going to do it a second time, and then we're going to use an average of the 2 times. So we are ready to start. And we get ready to do it again. So here we go with our second shot. Ready? Go. And of course the breeze is starting to come up. If we were actually applying a pesticide, this would be time to stop. But with this being just water, we're good to go on calibration. So now we've sprayed this area twice. The first time took 1 minute and 20 seconds. The second time was 1 minute and 23. So that gives us an average of 121.5. So what we're going to do now is we're going to spray for 1 minute and 21 seconds to determine the volume of water. So ready, go. We've pumped this thing and sprayed into this bucket for 1 minute and 21 seconds, which is the average of our 2 applications. So now we're going to measure. And that is 700 milliliters. So we've used 1,700 milliliters to spray that amount. So then the next thing to do is to convert that into how much material we're putting on per acre. Okay, so now where's the chart? Okay, so now that we've measured how much we sprayed, the container we have just happens to be in milliliters, and of course we're converting to ounces. So 1,700 milliliters is the equivalent of 57½ ounces. Now, the reason we did this 1/128th of an acre is there's 128 ounces in a gallon, which means our 57½ ounces, when we spray an entire acre, we will be using 57½ gallons of water. So from there, it's just a matter of converting gallons per acre to ounces per acre to get a correct application, 6 ounces, whatever it may be. Now, one little thing, when you change nozzles, say the nozzle wears out or you don't like it, if you're using another nozzle, you will have to calibrate again because not all nozzles are the same. And do always flush out your hose before you fill your sprayer so you don't get any dirt, leaves, or bugs in it. And always read the entire label.